New this noon, 3 county administrators in Manatee County are on trial for failing to report allegations of child abuse at Manatee High School. All of this stemming from the case of a football coach, Rod Frazier, currently under house arrest for touching students inappropriately. Our Laura Harris is live at the Manatee County Courthouse this noon with what's going on in court right now. Laura?
And Dan, just about 25 minutes ago, they went into a lunch recess. I can tell you, though, we've heard from 2 different teachers as well as a counselor, all of them saying they told who they needed to tell, but 3 defense attorneys are saying their clients, they had nothing to do with it, and they had no idea there was sex abuse going on.
I work with these folks and speak with them on a daily basis, so we have conversations about many things. What I saw was developing a pattern that concerned me.
Stephen Rinder, a counselor at Manatee High School, said teachers came to him about the behavior they had seen with Rod Frazier, a then football coach at the school. Frazier pleaded no contest in April to 4 counts of battery and 2 counts of interfering with a student's attendance. Now 3 former administrators, Robert Gagnon, former principal and assistant superintendent, as well as former assistant principals Greg Fowler and Matthew Kane, are each facing a felony count of failing to report child abuse. 3 knew about what Frazier was doing with students at the school, but never reported it to the child abuse hotline. Rinder says he did his due diligence when he was approached.
I would encourage them, and I would walk through that with them, as I've done several times with teachers who come to me with concerns. A student told me this, and will you report it? And I say, I can't report it. It has to be a first-hand report.
As he compiled information from the teachers and eventually wrote a letter to current Manatee High principal Don Sauer. But the defense wanted to know why he wouldn't report it himself if the information was concerning enough. 3 defendants who say they didn't know, a prosecutor who says they did, and a judge who will have to decide on it all. All 3 defendants have waived their right to a jury trial. If found guilty, they are all facing up to 5 years in prison and thousands of dollars in fines. We're also being told out of the courthouse this afternoon this trial could take about a week. Live at the Manatee County Courthouse, Laura Harris, ABC Action News.